Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, yeah man, Flex Jamaican cuisine. You don't know. So yeah guys, we are in the kitchen again. Yeah man, cooking some barbecue pork ribs. Yeah man, that is it man. So stay tuned guys. Catch it pre and watch what go on. Yeah man, so I'm making it with some dumpling guys. Yeah man, that is it. Okay guys, so here I have some all-purpose flour. Yeah man. Add some salt. That is it. Yeah man. Yes guys, don't forget, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section, alright? Yeah man, so barbecue ribs guys. Yeah man, I'm making some barbecue ribs. Yeah, and dumpling, that is it. Yeah man, so here I have my flour. Yeah man, and I'm adding some water timely to the flour to make the dough for the dumplings, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what I go on. Yeah man, big respect to all of my supporters, all of you guys who've been supporting my cooking channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself man. Flex, I say one love, much respect. Stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go on, alright? That is it. Yes guys, yeah man, that is it. Ready to make the dumpling now guys. This is the flour, the dough. Yeah man, stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go on. Don't forget guys, I'm cooking barbecue ribs with dumpling. That is it. Yes guys, looking good. Yeah man. That is it guys. Yeah, I have my water. Yeah man, my water heating. Yeah man, getting it ready for the dumpling, you know me I say? Yeah man, catch it pre and watch what I go on. Don't forget guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, or comment to the channel, alright? Yeah man, that is it man. Big up on yourself guys, one love and much respect. Okay guys, water is hot. I'm gonna wash my hands. Hands are clean guys. And it's time to make dumplings, alright? Yeah man. Stay tuned guys. Catch it pre and watch what I go on. Don't forget barbecue ribs, dumpling. That is it. Yeah man. Okay guys, so this is the final dumpling. Yeah man. Give it a little stir guys to make sure they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Yeah man. That is it guys. Alright. And cover them and let them cook. Alright guys. Yeah man. Stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what I go on. And special love goes out to all of my supporters. Yeah man, Flex I say one love and much respect. Alright? Yeah man, that is it. So remember guys, I'm cooking barbecue rib. Yeah man, barbecue pork ribs. Yeah. Alright, so here guys I have my Jamaican herbs and spices and seasoning. Yeah. Seasoned down properly. Cooking down to perfection. So I make my barbecue sauce guys from scratch. Alright. Yeah man. So now I'm gonna add a little brown sugar and some molasses to give it that barbecue flavor along with my orange peel. Alright, so I already put the orange peel through the process, took it out to catch that flavor, and I'm gonna combine it with the ketchup and the molasses and some brown sugar to get that real barbecue flavor. Alright, that is it. Stay tuned guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. Okay guys, so here I have my brown sugar. So just 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna mix it in properly guys. Alright. Then I'm gonna add some molasses. See, some real Jamaican molasses. Straight from Jamaica, you know me I say? Yeah man, that is it. And I add like a teaspoon. Yeah. Yeah man. Teaspoon of molasses. So I combine it with the orange peel guys and some ketchup. Alright. And I have my Jamaican jerk seasoning. Yeah. Yeah man. My Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. And I blend it guys with my scallion, garlic, onion and thyme. That is it. So it's cooking down to perfection now guys, so stay tuned, catch the prey and watch what go on. That is it. Big up on yourself guys. Don't forget, just keep supporting my YouTube channel guys, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe and comment into that comment section. Alright? Yeah man, just tell me what you think about my barbecue pork ribs guys. That is it.